Let's draw a cheerful ostrich. Start with drawing its round head. Now, draw a large wedge-shaped beak. Draw an ostrich mouth. You are doing really well. And a funny lock of hair on its head. Beautiful! Now draw its long and thin neck. And a feathered collar. Fantastic! Now draw its large body. And a wing. Marvelous! Draw a long leg for your ostrich. Now it's time to draw another leg so your ostrich can run. What a great ostrich you have made!